Hello, welcome again to the welding workshop. I'm Max Wamana. Today, we are going to perform how you can make a bead weld, a butt joint on hollow section. After cutting our hollow section in 45 degrees, we understand that we get a joint. This joint, which gives us 90 degrees, we have to joining it. By joining it, we are going to perform a butt joint in downhand position. So, before starting by welding it, by making that joint, you have to make sure if you are ready and you are safe by putting your personal protective equipment. First of all, you have to wear your helmet properly, and put on your hand gloves, leather gloves, of course, in order to protect your hands. And then you wear the safety glass. Those are safety glass which help us to protect our eyes to the lens. After putting our PPE, we are going to start our machine. Our welding machine is a DC welding machine, of course. We switch on our machine. After switch on the machine, you have to set the working current. Here we have to put on 80 voltage, 8 amperes. After we're setting our machine, we have to come here for starting the joining. Before joining, the full joining, we have to put what we call a tack weld. A tack weld are straightened. We have to make sure if it is strong enough in order to prevent our wax to crack or to break during the welding process. Let us start by putting on the tack weld. The tack weld is the point you put here so that it helps us to fix it. You have to put our ground cable. Then this is what we call a tack weld. You have seen that tack weld helps us to fix our two pieces which we are going to join together. So now, after making a tack weld, we are going to make a full butt joint in downhand position. Let us start by making a butt joint. In order to prevent our the burn through of our pieces or the undercut. So now, here we finish by making our butt joint. The performance of our butt joint is now good. The next step is to clean, to remove the slugs. Those are what we call the slugs. This is the coats which is cover our beads, our joint. Now you see, before we have an open joint, but now the open joint, because we put the weld by using our electrode, you see that it's full. It's full, covered by our weld. So this is our butt joint. After removing the slug, we have to clean it by using this wire brush. And we have to remove all spatters. And you have to clean another side so that you finish our work for today. Thank you for attention. This is our work today. See you next time by performing the V and fillet joint. Thank you.